Good morning, guys.
So I'm at an internship, and the objective is to have a fully autonomous tail sitter VTOL. Since the KK 2.1 doesn't support autonomous features, I picked up the Pixhawk. And to be honest, I'm pretty much a master of Pixhawk at this point. I really know what I'm doing.
Where's it going?
I have no idea where it's going.
Under the airframe presets that Pixhawk has, it also has a tail sitter VTOL preset. I immediately set this up with the Skywalker X8, ran the motors inside, and took it outside for a test flight. Probably not the greatest idea since the Skywalker was a little heavy at 3.3 kilograms for its control surfaces.
Why was it so unstable?
It was too nose heavy. That was a failure. Anyways, I have the airplane repaired right now. We're going to convert this into a VTOL. I'm also going to check the control surface or whatever. I'm going to get the two as close as I can and try to fly it.
And the main reason that I converted the smaller aircraft into a VTOL was so that I could get experience before I did irreparable damage to the Skywalker.
Playing the very fun game of where did I put my keys and where did I put my wallet. Wait, actually though, where did I put my stuff? Alright, let's go. This is my lab, by the way. This is where I'm working. So, what caused the crash? Especially from takeoff at the first, like you could see the aircraft tipping forward and unable to recover. And I had to keep giving it extra throttle. The thing is, I had to keep giving it extra throttle and it would like gain in altitude. But the thing is, I couldn't lower the throttle because whenever I lowered the throttle, it would fall one side or another again.
Quick note here, the reason that I kept giving it extra throttle was so I would have more control. The VTOL tail sitter is set up so the two motors are in front of the control surfaces. This is done so because control surfaces need proper airflow over them to work properly. That's why when you enter a stall, the aircraft loses control. This is an even bigger problem in tail sitter aircrafts when they're trying to land because basically the aircraft's trying to fly backwards. Okay, anyways, back to the main point. If you give more throttle, you have more airflow over the control surfaces, giving you more control over the aircraft.
And so it was too nose heavy. The control surfaces do need to be bigger. So what's the next thing to do? Reduce weight. That's what I'm thinking right now. I found a new motor, new electronics, and we could fly off those. We're going to decrease the total weight of the aircraft by 1 kilogram. But to be sure that all this is going to work, so it's working fine now. I wonder why it messed up the first time around. Okay, so while that prints, it's going to take another 2.5 hours. We're going to go ahead and install VTOL or like get it calibrated properly to be a VTOL. We have to modify a couple wires, so on and so forth.
Kobe! 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 You mother...
We've made good progress on the airplane. So let's go and check the print. You can do it. My wallet's right here and I just... There we go. Okay, it's going. That this thing...
Oh...
It's not gonna print properly. Now we have a moral dilemma. Do I stop it, go upstairs and redesign? Do I let it print waste filament and see if it can print it? Jesus, take the wheel.
That's it.
This close? Are you sure?
Alright, let's go.
20
That's
feet
pretty
up,
successful, I think.
10 feet up. There's a breeze, 10 miles an hour.
Should we land or what should we do?
Land.
Land?
Safe landing, please. Oh, no. How do you know if it's like... Oh my gosh! No way! Look at that landing! Perfect landing!
Multi-to transition?
I don't know. What do you think?
The smart thing to do is just go up really high, hit the transition switch.
And then transition back if
And
there's
if
a
there's
problem.
something going wrong, just transition back. Because
Let's
now
try
we
it
know-
then.
Try that?
Yeah, let's try it. But do like, I don't know, 20 feet, like 30 feet. Not like 100 feet.
Like this?
I don't know. You have more experience. Is that airplane mode? Try transitioning back.
Stabilize, there we go.
We can't see it at this point, so just try landing. Try landing. It's flying. It's an airplane.
Oh, I have no idea which direction it's in right now.
It's airplane again.
No, it's
Try.
helicopter. It's just
Let's run towards it. We're gonna run and get it anyway. So.